Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 128 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost every day, except Sundays, they make him take that day off, where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions a day. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can I bring my own plastic forks and spoons? Virtual reality headsets, are they allowed on board? Why do veterans have to pay for the pictures at the veterans gathering? Can I fly my drone in Half Moon Key? And VPNs, can they be used or can't they be used on board?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if they can bring their own plastic knives, forks, and spoons on board the ship. John said, well, yeah, if you want to, you may. I don't know why you would want to, though. I don't know the rationale behind that one. You can order room service. They bring you sets depending on how much stuff you order. A lot of times we order a little bit too much and they bring us like 4 sets. We're like, how many people are in this room? They're available on Lido everywhere. Even when the food's not being served, they have stacks of them. But yeah, if you want to bring your own plastic utensils on board, you most certainly can. I don't get it, but it's approved. Question 2. This cruiser wanted to know about the electronics that can be brought on board. They recently started using a virtual reality headset as a source of inspiration for motivation, lots of shuns, to exercise, maybe they're on the elation, and they wanted to know if they were allowed to bring a VR headset on board to help motivate them to work out. John said, yeah, these are absolutely fine to bring on the ship. Me personally, if that's what you're using it for, don't leave it on too long. You're on a ship. Go outside, look at the ocean, and just have a great time walking around on the little lap thingy I've heard about on the ships. So yeah, you can bring them. So if you like to use them, you most certainly can. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question 3. This cruiser asked why veterans have to pay so much for the picture at the veterans gathering. They're not asking for it to be free, but maybe discounted. They love the event, they love the photos, but they don't like paying the ridiculous price for a photo. John said, actually, it is free. If you go to the cruise director's Facebook page, they always post the photo from each gathering on their Facebook page. Simply click on it and download it from there. So that is an absolutely amazing tip. So if you're a veteran, A, thank you for your service. B, you don't want to pay for it, you don't have to. The cruise director's Facebook page, on that cruise, they will post it every time, and then you can download it for free. Spot on. Thanks, John. Spot on. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring their drone so they can film at Half Moon Key. Not long, just a few minutes, but they wanted to fly it and get some great aerial shots. And I agree, one of my favorite ports when it comes to the color of the water, the tranquility, it is absolutely gorgeous. John said, yes, you can absolutely do that, but please know, when you get on board, your drone will be confiscated. It'll be collected. So you won't, because you absolutely cannot use the drones on the ship. Once you get off port, you can collect your drone, go do what you got to do, and then when you get back on board, they will recollect your drone. So you can use it at that particular port. John said you cannot fly over the ship or even close to it. So yeah, you can use them, respect with the, I guess, airspace around the ship and enjoy the views of the island, but they will collect it, give it back to you, and then recollect it. There you go. So yes, you can bring it, just very specific spots you can use it in. All right, question 5. This cruiser was reading on a recent post where John commented saying that VPN connections are no longer blocked, but the website states it's not allowed. So he wanted John to confirm, can you use VPN on the ships now, or can you not use VPN? John said, yes, you can use your VPN on the boats. That is something new. Since the inception of Wi-Fi on Carnival, you've never been allowed to use a VPN. A lot of people that like to cruise and work on your work computer, you have to use a VPN, so they couldn't do it, I guess, preventing them from cruising and working. I'd rather just cruise, but if I could do a little bit of work on there and take an extra week of vacation, I'll do that. So yes, the answer is now you can use your VPN on Carnival ships. So there you go. That's been episode 128 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching, and please take care.